Hey, what is up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to your new video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about iOS 14.3 update on my iPhone XR, and it's been a long time. We received iOS 14.3 on December 14th. It's been more than 2 weeks, I believe. It's January 12th. Today I'm recording this video, and since now we are on iOS 14.3 and a lot of you guys have mentioned about a lot of bugs, and I am experiencing myself a lot of bugs. So in this video I'm going to talk about what are the bugs in terms of battery life, in terms of other issues that I'm facing on my iPhone XR, and also when we can expect iOS 14.4 and if there is any in-between update that we can expect to see between iOS 14.3 and iOS 14.4. So make sure you watch this video till the end if you're having an iPhone. And also I have talked about my iPadOS 14.3 battery life optimization in my previous video, so I will leave a card around here, so if you want you can go ahead and check that video, as well as it will be linked in the video description. So make sure you watch that video if you are having an iPad and want to optimize your iPad OS battery life. So let's get right into the video, but before that, if you're new here on my channel and happen to enjoy this kind of videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And also it's a sincere request to all of you watching this video, do subscribe to the channel because it gives me a lot of motivation to make more of this kind of videos for you guys. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so first things first, this is an iPhone XR. As you can see, this is my primary iPhone which I use daily, and this is running on iOS 14.3. So let me go to the settings and let me show you. So as you can see, it's running on iOS 14.3 and the official build number is 18C66. And also the modem firmware is 3.02.02. With iOS 14.3 we also got a modem firmware. So basically this modem has been updated to now latest 3.02.02. I'm happy to report that most of my network related issues have been resolved after I got a modem update. Also I have made a separate video regarding the carrier settings update, which I will be linking in the card right here. So if you want, you can check that out as well. So now let's talk about some of the bugs that I'm able to notice with iOS 14.3 first. So now first let's talk about in terms of battery. So I know many of you have concerns regarding the battery life. So what I do basically in every video, I show you my battery stats as well as my battery health. So let me go to the battery health section. As you can see, it supports the peak performance capability and it is having the maximum capacity, which is 90%. Now many of you commented on my previous videos that you are having iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max or any iPhone XR, but within 6 months your iPhone battery health has been dropped to 100% to 83%, 100% to 90%. I'm not sure how you use your iPhone, but that should not be the case. But what I am sure about is iOS 14.3 is definitely not good in terms of battery life. Now if I talk about me personally, let's have a look at last 10 days screen on time. So as you can see, I have been getting a screen on time of 7 hours 45 minutes, and also these are the apps that actually consumes my battery: YouTube, then YouTube Studio, then Instagram, Spotify and things like that. Because I don't consume any media on my iPhone, I generally do consume medias on my iPad. So basically these are the things that I basically use, and I have been getting a screen on time of 7 hours 45 minutes. If I talk about last week, I also got a screen on time of 8 hours 48 minutes. So considering iOS 14.3 is not very good in terms of battery life, so 8 hours 48 minutes, 7 hours, I think so it's a good average screen on time for all the iPhones. Now if you're not getting the good battery life, what I would suggest you to do, you can go to the general and can come to this reset and click on this reset all settings. Now if you're having any battery issues, that should resolve the issue as of now. So click on this reset all settings. It will not tamper any of your data, it will just reset all the settings. If you unknowingly made any changes, it will just reset that, so you can get good battery life. Now let's talk about the thing that when we can expect iOS 14.4. Now talking about the public betas, iOS 14.4 public beta 1 was released couple of weeks back, but since then till now there was no release from Apple. So we are still on iOS 14.4 public beta 1. We are still expected to see iOS 14.4 beta 2 because these beta releases goes of couple of stages between beta 1, beta 2, and then we get to see the public release, which is a stable version of iOS 14.4. Now talking about whether we will directly be able to see iOS 14.4, I think so there is a huge possibility that we might get to see iOS 14.3.1 update before iOS 14.4. Why is that? Because there are many bugs that we are noticing, especially with the battery life. And also let me tell you that if I lock my screen and then if I try to unlock, sometimes as you can see there's a slight delay in terms of unlocking the device. And also when I try to access the camera, sometimes the screen goes blank. So there are many issues. And also as I said before, this iOS 14.4 in terms of performance, it's not up to the mark. Like there are some lag that I'm able to notice with UI definitely. So I think so before releasing iOS 14.4 with new updates and new modern firmware, if Apple pushes out that, before that they should fix the existing issues. And considering the fact that iOS 14.4 beta 2 is not released yet, available to the developers yet, so we may get to see iOS 14.4 probably in the first week of February, or maybe it could be second week as well. So we are not getting to see iOS 14.4 anytime soon. So I think so in between we might get to see this iOS 14.3.1, which is supposed to fix the existing issue. So it is very important that if you are on iOS 14.3, if you get an update which is iOS 14.3.1, you update your device to iOS 14.3.1. Also do subscribe to the channel, because as in when it rolls out for all the users, I will be making a separate video and explaining you the battery life as well as all the new features which comes with iOS 14.3.1. So then again, I wanted to inform you guys that there have not been any updates since a long time. We are using iOS 14.3 since 2 to 3 weeks now. Since this New Year's times, Apple tends to take a time off, so we are having this kind of delay. So it's okay to wait and get a good update rather than getting an update which is very rushed and comes with lot of bugs. So then again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will definitely inform you and make a video when a new update drops. So then again, make sure you do subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy my content. And with that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye.